Hindi lamang kayo bayani ng inyong mga pamilya. Kayo rin ay bayani na kapuspalad dito sa Cambodia na binabahagian ninyo ng mga bunga ng sarili ninyong paghihirap. Our discussions today signals a new phase in the partnership between the Philippines and Cambodia, one that embraces greater economic opportunities, deeper cooperation on matters of security, and the common resolve to uphold peace and stability in our region. Hindi naman nagbabago yung mga birthday wish ko mula nung simula hanggang ngayon na naging Pangulo ko at yun na nga, maging maayos ang buhay ng bawat Pilipino, na maituloy natin lahat ng ating proyekto para matulungan lalong-lalo na yung mga mahihirap. Let us protect the lifetime of work that our pensioners have built for themselves and for our country. In everything that we do, we must be motivated by a true commitment to service, and it must be driven by a true love of every single Filipino and a love for the Republic of the Philippines.